Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain types of errors in Python. In Python, we commonly face three types of errors. Those are syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. So let's understand each with examples. Firstly, syntax errors. Syntax errors happen when Python can't understand our code due to mistakes in structure. For example, missing a quotation mark or colon will cause a syntax error. Runtime errors. Runtime errors occur while the program is running. These include dividing by zero or trying to access an undefined variable. Logical errors. Logical errors don't crash the program, but they give incorrect results. For example, using the wrong formula in a calculation. Best practices are to avoid errors, always test your code, read error messages carefully, and use try except blocks for handling runtime issues. Thank you.